Stay lower.
Just throw your whole body at it.
Stay low. Get up underneath him. Get underneath him. Santa's here. Let's get out of here. Yeah, Drew. It was alright.
Thank you so much. Just to say thank you for all the nice energy you bring for us.
Did you like this?
I was gonna say favourites. I was gonna say.
Wow. Hey, episode 86. So I've got, what have I got? I've got some new footage of Sanuye up there in Mackay, still banging away strong. I've got some footage of Australia Day. Never seen so many jet skis. And there was a guy out there on a barge he had his excavator on the front of his barge, like with music hanging, just absolutely cranked people all over it everywhere. You'll see footage of it anyway. It's awesome. Some footage of Brian and I at Kira, Dave and I at Cooley with his new board. Awesome new board, JS. What else have I got? I've got some footage of Sophia. She's a funny girl. I got some footage of Tash giving Nuala some chocolates for Christmas, which was awesome. Well done with our coffees in the morning, Nuala. You did an awesome job. We've got some footage of Lennox, Broken Head, Cabba, Tugan. What else have I got there? I've got some footage of Zoe on the ski. Apologies, AM and Lise. Didn't get any footage of the two of you for this one. Brian's given Lisa's ride a new name. It's called Lisa's Ride. What else have we got going on? Okay, we're going to the pool. Next episode, you'll see us down in Melbourne. 4 of us are heading down there to do the advanced turns and the advanced sessions in the pool. That's going to be pretty entertaining. The advanced turns speaks for itself. The waves are a little bit fuller. But the advanced, apparently it's take off, set, and you're in the barrel. So let's see how many times I get thrown over the top. Coming up later in the year, some footage of Canada. So yeah, a little adventure going over there. So yeah, should be some good stuff coming up. But yeah, look, just keep on enjoying. I know they're a bit further apart these days. I've been too busy sort of enjoying myself to sort of make them. But yeah, I'm taking the footage and then just doing the best to put it all together. All right, cheers.
Say it a bit louder. Huh? You're going to say it pretty loud. The mic is... Oh, it's an old GoPro, the mic is... Okay, really. Just leave it on.
Hello from the ocean! The sea is rocking us. We're getting rocked. But Andrew's
Happy New Year, Brian.
Happy New Year, mate.
Hey, it's awesome, mate. That sun's making you look very suntan. Better watch out for those bloody skin cancers, mate.
That's it, mate.
Hope you put the sunscreen on.
Yeah, heaps. Bucket
Awesome.
loads.
Cheers, man. Happy New Year, Brian.
Hey,
Awesome, man. Awesome. Great GoPro.
Andrewski.
So this is what we call a summer male bonding session. Sitting out a storm waiting for some waves. We've got Briansy over here asleep in his car. We've got people actually running by on this path. And I'm just hanging here playing this guitar. Bit of rain, ride it out till the tide changes. Hey, we're surfing safariing, mate. Were you looking at that girl?
No.
I was. She was pretty. Why not? Hey, you know you're supposed to put a towel around you, mate, when you're in your undies. I mean, have you got enough boards in there, mate, or what?
Some guys are just feral.
Hey?
Some blokes are just feral.
Oh. Mate, I reckon you need to put another 2 boards in there so you've got a multiple amount of boards to choose from.
Yeah, I don't have enough options. I definitely do not have enough options.
You clearly don't.
No.
As soon as he starts it. Here she goes for the last time. There she is. Good morning. Sophia and, was it Joanna?
Joanne.
Joanne?
Hello. Hi.
Sophia and Joanne from Norway.
We had a long swim.
Was it? Did you get any blue bottles?
No, but they're everywhere.
They are, aren't
We
they?
were, yeah, you have to walk around them. I didn't even think of the fact that they're probably in the water as well.
Do you feel a... Wow, that's cool. Just looking back at Lennox. So we have the birth of some new fun here. Look at this. Woo. Very nice. Dave, eh? Very nice.
What a weapon.
So you sure you don't want to take that down to the pool?
Well, I'm not sure yet. Let's see if I can ride the thing. 20 3/4.
So what's it, a JS, what do they call it, a black box?
No, this is a zero cruise. It's not marketed in Australia. It's only just come out. There's not even any specs on it.
Zero cruise.
Yeah. You won't find it anywhere.
It is very similar, just mine's got the round tail.
Yeah, very similar, man.
Very, very similar.
Very similar.
Bit of tugan. Wave break. Straight A. Couple of jet skis, couple of bodies.